There are a million ways to declutter, so what's really the best way to declutter anything? What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we are talking about the best way to declutter absolutely anything. Let's go through it step by step. First thing is to pick your project. Doesn't matter what that project is. If it's a bookcase, if it's a closet, if it's an entire room, pick your project and set your timer. Then take absolutely everything out and put it in a big pile right in the middle of the floor. This gives you room to clean shelves, vacuum, etc. And if it's the whole room, I'm talking about the furniture and everything. Put it all in a pile in the middle of the room. That way nothing gets missed and nothing gets overlooked or pushed off and postponed until later. If you take everything out, then everything has to be touched at least twice. Once coming out, and then once to make a decision about where it goes next. It's the one surefire way to make sure you don't miss anything. Now that you've got everything out in the middle of the floor and you've got your timer set, or you could set your timer now. Now that you've got everything out on the floor, set your timer and get started. You want to sort everything into different piles, different boxes, however you're going to categorize them, into a trash pile, a donate pile, a sell pile, and of course, a keep pile. Once you're done sorting, of course, take the time to clean the shelves, vacuum the floor, make sure that the environment itself is clean before you put anything back. And the only things that get put away are the things that you are keeping. Everything in the other three piles has to go. Whether it's the donating, the throwing away, or the selling pile, you need to have a plan and a strategy for each one of those. Where it's going, when, and a deadline. The deadline is important. Just like the timer is important, it gives you a time to stop and it helps you to get started. The same with the deadline on the finished product. It helps you get started in actually getting rid of those items and getting them out of your space. And it gives you a deadline for when it has to be done by. And that is truly the best way to declutter anything. And of course, you want to take it to a whole nother level and learn how to listen to what your clutter is actually telling you rather than just going through the motions. If you want to learn to listen to what your clutter has to say, be sure to download my 5-step guide to declutter at declutteryourmindset.com and leave me a comment down below, letting me know what questions you have about your clutter and what it might be saying to you. While you're down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.